Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to backup and restore apps from Samsung Cloud in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down. And now here click on accounts and backup. Now here click on backup data, and then here scroll down and turn off all other buttons. Turn off all buttons and only turn on apps, because we want to backup and restore apps from Samsung Cloud. So just turn on apps button and then click on backup now. So now you can see, now it's backing up apps, and all the apps in this mobile are backed up in Samsung Cloud. So now when I delete a app and then later I want to restore it, then I will just go to settings, and in settings I will click on accounts and backup. Now here I will click on restore data, and from here I can restore my deleted apps. So that's how you can backup and restore apps from Samsung Cloud in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.